it means, like you say here, it is free if you have a fast computer. I will show today on a cloud server, so not free, but fast. Okay. Stable Diffusion can do same as Midjourney, but like you say here, 100% control. Today, do we only work with prompt? Okay. So this is what we can call it level 0 in Stable Diffusion. Okay. And we will learn how to prompt Stable Diffusion. Okay. So I hope everybody understand what I want to do today. And now I will open up. So what I will open up here, it is a browser. And I will actually write here Think Diffusion. And Think Diffusion, it is where we can try it and we can do it. We give 30 minutes for free. So if you have many emails, you understand that? Many emails, 30 minutes free. Just go to email and register many emails. Okay. For example, learn Einstein level version 1. Okay, in that way you can just make a new one after 30 minutes, make a new one after 30 minutes, make a new one after 30 minutes. Okay, so in that way you can do it for free. Okay, I will click here, get started. Okay, cannot click on the bottom. Why it's not working? Yeah. Okay, it don't open anything. Think Diffusion. Okay, now it works. It was slow. Okay. So when you are in here, we take the cheapest one over here, launch. Okay, and the left one. And because it already know me, I have to add some fonts for me. Okay, yeah, I add some fonts because I don't want to sit and register 1 million emails. Okay, a code on my mobile. On. It is 7633022. Okay. Ja. It is just slow, so we just wait. It's very slow. Okay. So now you can see actually it's take 1 minute and 30 minutes to start up the server. So right now we can do something else when we wait here. And if you go to the Google Drive, and I make a folder where I call Lion Learning. You can click on this one, and in here I have the prompt, and you can open that prompt, and why does it take a long time to open a prompt up? Okay. Why is everything on my computer so slow? Okay, that is. I write a lot of text here. You take it all, copy all the text, open up your, see now it start here, up here soon here. You go to in here, make a new chat. You make sure you're on ChatGPT 4. ChatGPT 3.5 cannot. And so we add all the text in. And so now it will actually just ask us what we want to create. Okay, create fantasy world with mountains and different planets in the background with flying aliens. What the point here, you can write what you want, okay? And so from that, it will actually use the prompt up here to create. You can see here the details. If you, for example, if you look up here, for example, I write different example here of how you can make prompt, and it uses this information to create the prompt here. So we can copy all that, copy, go over to our Stable Diffusion here, and you can see up here on the left, it is a little different, but you will add the text in over here where you can say prompt, press here. So here you put the prompt in, okay? And up here on the top, it is what model we will use. Here, there are many models we can use. And what you can try when you play with it, what different of information does it give? I just tried to take the standard here, okay? I have no idea what will come out, okay? This one here, okay, let me try to get the translator up here at the same time here. So, sampling method, LA is fast and quality not so high, okay? But good idea to start with low quality. Okay, you cannot read that actually. Okay, start with low quality. When you have something you like, change to better quality model. Okay. So if you go back here, so for example here, a good quality model is, for example, down here, this one, 2M side carriers. It's a good quality model. It will take longer time to process, but the quality better. So the next one here, I will here, this here is also a little about quality, how detailed it has to be. So for example, if I go higher, it will take longer time to make, but more quality. Okay, down here, it will say how many I will make example. For example, if I want to make 4 images from this prompt here, I put 4 in here. Okay, and here comes this difficult one. SFD scale is, if you just take SCD scale, low number, follow prompt 100%, high number means AI can be creative. Okay, so if you have to follow your prompt 100%, you will take a low number. Okay, so if you go back here, scale 7. So if you really have to follow 100%, you just put it down here. You have to be very creative, you put it out here. Okay, let's just something you have to play around with, where it gives a good result. I just put on 9. We have 4 images here, and if you go up here, so we can actually just click generate right now. And we could actually just try to do it. So now I click generate. And here, if you have a slow computer at home, this one here can take quite a long time. And but this here should not take too long time, as you can see here. Okay, it is an alien planet. Yes, with flying aliens. This one down here look like Star Wars. Okay, now it's finished. And after finish, we can click on it and see what it did create here. Yeah, it is kind of very creative. You see the quality is not too good here, but no problem. We can increase quality a lot. Okay. So the next one I want to show is here, if you go back here. Here. Next, I want to show is you can create many different prompts and test them all at the same time. Okay. And this is actually very smart. So now we try to go back to our mid journey. Use this one here again. Not mid journey, ChatGPT. Okay, so we say here, for example, create 5 different high and long quality prompts. I'll just say I want a fantasy world with mountain, blah 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 blah. Okay. So here, for example, you can just create what you want here, how many you want. It's actually misunderstand what I try to say, but I only need 5 different in all high quality. Okay. So Okay, let's try. Now we just take them all, go over here. So instead of have it up here in the prompt up here, I delete it. And I go down here in the bottom here and click down here on script and say prompts from file or text box. And so I add all the text in down here where it says list of prompts input. So now you can see I can test them all at the same time, but I should not have this name here. I just have the prompt. So I just delete the title here. Okay. Okay. So, okay. And so you can actually just run it. And now it will actually create. Oh, now I make 4 of each. I should actually only make 1 of each. So now it make a whole lot of pictures because I have 5 prompts. So it makes 20 pictures for me right now. So will take a little time. When you wait here. So in Stable Diffusion, you can make many different variations at the same time. Okay, I did different here. This version here in Stable Diffusion also have what called negative prompt. Here you write what you don't want in image. Okay. Now let's see what is going on here. Okay, it was actually fast. It created all this image. See here, 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 here. Many different variations, very fast. And so you can always, okay, see, very fast to create many different variations. Okay, yeah, today I will stop here. So all you have to try today, find the prompt from Google Drive, play with different options, and see the different and see how image change. So this is very basic start. Many other options we will talk about later. Okay, so only play with sample steps, play with SFD scale. Okay, see what change in the image if you change here and if you change down here. Don't think about all the other things. Just touch the disk now and see actually what happened. Okay. So we try to limit what you can use all this here, because there's so many things you can do here in this software here. Okay, I will stop share my screen here. You can also stop record with